Hello? Okay, great. I'm not sure if everyone is on mute and you can hear me. If anyone could thumbs up or react to my voice would be great, just to ensure that. Okay, great. I got a thumbs up. All right, welcome everyone. We are going to spend 4 hours now doing a boot camp for Excel. There's still a few joining, but that's fine. We can get started. Just a couple of housekeeping items. The first one being the session is being recorded. You will have noticed as you joined that there's a prompt saying that the session is being recorded. This is just for your benefit because Wall Street Oasis will publish this in a private link. It's kind of a YouTube equivalent platform that is available for only 1 or 2 weeks following today's session. So that just takes 1 or 2 days to get processed, but then eventually first couple of days of next week, you should get another follow-up email from the Wall Street team saying if you'd like to revisit the session, you can see the recording. It's just in case you wanted to recover or go through some parts of the session again on a recorded basis, you'll have that as an extra tool to get the most out of the session. The other item that I wanted to cover is the overall format. So we're going to have 4 hours, and roughly speaking, we're going to do 45 to 50 minutes of content, and then a 5-minute break / exercise breakout. So you'll be able to have breaks throughout the 4 hours, not a continuous 4-hour session. And the other thing is that obviously we're going to cover Excel. So I hope you all have Excel installed in your computers, because this is going to be obviously much more helpful if you can follow the exercises live on your end as I put it on screen and we do certain things together. However, if not, if you don't have that, then that's absolutely fine. Just take good notes. Feel free to ask questions throughout. This is open to everyone. So in order to get the most value for your time here, please do be as proactive as possible in interrupting me. I am very happy if I am interrupted at any point, and happy to clear out any questions as we move along. All right. So in terms of format, there's a few slides that we're going to go through, but the slides themselves are actually for a quiz checkpoint. So we're going to go through Excel together, do several exercises together, and then I'm going to move back into this PowerPoint slide deck, and I'm going to have a few questions pop up. And when I do that, please feel free to volunteer. I'm not going to point out to anyone to proactively suggest an answer, but if you do think you have the right answer, feel free to unmute yourself and just say what you think the right answer is, and we can debate it. It's more reaffirmation that the information that is being mentioned in the session is being registered and that it makes sense. It's just a checkpoint to see that everything makes sense, basically. All right, so without further ado, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first share in the chat zip file. Let's see if this works. Yes, it does. It's uploading as I'm speaking. And so now everyone, if you could please download that on your personal computers, have it on the drive, you'll have effectively, once that's downloaded and saved locally, a few files there. One of them is going to be an Excel, which we're going to use to walk through exercises together. Another one is a PDF with some cheat sheet for the shortcuts that you can be using most frequently in your careers. And then finally, there's going to be another folder for practice exercises, which is something that you can take offline / we can do together in some of the breakouts. All right. So Excel modeling, before we move into the various components of the session, I'd like to also briefly introduce myself. So my name is Alan. In investment banking, I've been in investment banking for a decade now. I started off my career in a big bulge bracket bank for 9 years, and then I did 2 lateral moves in the past few years into a software-focused boutique, and now into a larger international bank that is gaining more and more presence. My experience in investment banking it's been basically all my life. Since I finished university, I did a summer internship, and I've been doing the analyst career, associate career, vice president years as well. And it's been a very rewarding experience. And Excel has been one of the many ingredients that is our tools that are necessary to succeed in this business, because